Hi there YouTubers and fellow skateboarders. So today I'm going to show you how to ollie, and I'm going to try to teach it to you the simplest and easiest way I know possible. If you ask what is an ollie, well, this is an ollie. It is where you make your skateboard come off the ground, defying physics and gravity. So before you learn to ollie, you got to be comfortable with your skateboard. You got to already know your stances, already know how to push, stop, and just get around very comfortable. And then you want to move on to the ollie. Since I skateboard in goofy position, I will be teaching you how to ollie this way, which is goofy. I can also teach you the regular, but the concept goes for both ways. Regardless if you're goofy, regular, it's the same concept on when learning to ollie, or learning how to ollie. So first things first, when learning to ollie, I'm going to be learning to do it goofy. You're going to want to have your front foot below those bolts. That's right. So you see there's 4 bolts here. The first 2, you're going to want to put it right before that, as you can see right there, just before it. Yep, about there. And then your back foot will be going on the tail. You can either put it solid tail or just on like the edge like so. I like to put it kind of in between, so you get it right there. So that's how your feet should be looking in an ollie position, just below those 2 bolts and just on the tail. And then you're going to basically want to bend your knees, pop backwards with the tail making a pop, sliding your foot forward and jumping up and forward at the same time. So we'll kind of show you like this. And we'll show you another view. Alright, so this is probably going to be the easiest way to explain it to you. So you have your front foot right below those bolts, your back foot on that tail. What you're going to want to do is bend those knees down, and then you're going to pop up and jump at the same time. But when you're going down and jumping up, you're also going to be going back, and you're going to make your tail kind of do a pop sound. You want it to go like that. You want to be able to actually pop your tail up. So to test that out, you can also just kind of do that, or like lean backwards and just see if you can pop like so. And what you're going to do next step, once you get that pop, a good solid pop kind of sound, you're really going to want to stop down on that tail. You're going to then put your front foot and slide it up, and at the same time sliding up, you're going to jump kind of like an upwards forward momentum. And you're going to be sliding that foot up. So when you put it all together, it's pretty much like your feet are in the position, bend, pop, slide. So you got to kind of do it all together. I know it's going to be really hard to grasp at first, but once you get it, you get it. And it's literally just the momentum. So you're going to bend down, pop back, slide up, and jump. So that's all it is. And once you get it, you get it. So remember those steps. Bend those legs, pop back while jumping, sliding, and up. So let's put those together. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, maybe 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. So that's the easiest and simplest way I could explain it. Just bend your legs, pop that tail, and jump. And what you're going to want to do is make sure to pop that. Pop that as hard as you can. The harder you can pop that, and the more you can bend your knees, and the higher you can jump, the higher you will go. So for example, if I only bend my knees a little bit and do a tiny pop, I can only ollie a tiny bit. But if I bend my knees and try to jump really hard with a high pop, and maybe bring my front foot back a little bit more to give it more momentum to slide, I'll show you a really good ollie. So then you're really bringing it down, compressing that energy, and then you're just going to boom, explode that energy into an ollie. Like so. Boom! Explosion. That was kind of a shitty ollie, but we'll try it again. So like, boom, compress that energy, release that energy. And that's what the ollie is. It's just literally compressing and releasing. Think of it like a spring. But yeah, you literally pop, slide, and up. And even if you don't jump, you can do it in ollie just by going like that. And a cheap one, which doesn't really count, is just by going, lifting that up quick and then down quick. But the true ollie, which we all know and love, is this style right here. and that's how to do the ollie. Also, when trying to learn how to ollie, when you go to bend down, if you notice, my shoulders are straight with the board. I'll bend down, shoulder straight, kind of straight, and then I'll ollie, and I'm straight and I land my knees. At no point am I turning my hips or my shoulders, which will then cause you to turn your board, which a lot of kids have problems with. So what you're going to want to do, and I'll show an example of that, is this is what you don't want to do, is like if you're turning that way and looking this way, and ollie, as you can see, I turn. So that is why no matter where you want to go on an ollie or any trick, your shoulders are where you're going to be wanting to go at all times. As you can see there, straight, straight, turn my shoulder that way, and I turn automatically that way, automatically, without even shifting my hips or body or anything. It's just automatic rotation. So keep in mind, always stay straight, look where you need to go, and get her done. Mind you, the ollie can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a month to learn. It could actually take forever. It depends on your skill level and how consistent you are at trying and just dedication. Because for me, it took one whole day to learn to ollie. Some other people, it might take 30 minutes some days. It might take like a week. But all it is you just have to sit there and focus and dedicate yourself. Just doing that. It's like anything, you just want to repeat it over and over and over again. And once you get your basic background ollie down, then you can do it moving. And once you learn it, try to do it up a curve, down a curve, put a piece of 2x, try to clear it, make distances, heights, push yourself. So that's what you guys need to do, is push yourself on your ollie. I challenge you guys to learn how to ollie, and then I challenge you to then figure out if you can ollie over a board, or maybe put it down like that. Ollie it this way, or this way, or that way. Doesn't matter. As long as you're having fun and you're out there skateboarding and you're trying. That's all that matters. So I really hope this will teach you guys how to ollie. And if you guys want me to go in more detail, I can show you a little bit more of a detailed video. This was just a quick rush video on how to ollie the quick and simplest way. And that's all it is. Bend, pop, slide, and literally it's that simple. Once you get it, I really hope to hear that some of you guys do it. And so get out there, try it, do it. Send me some of your videos, I'll post them. Be like, yeah, it helped or it didn't. Let me know, but you guys know what to do. Like this video, comment down below for more trick tips, ideas, if you guys want me to do more trick tutorials, and you guys know what to do. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.